I got my spoon. There's always a correct way to eat pasta, so we're gonna make sure we're doing it the correct way. So here's the dish that I just made. It is a shrimp and linguine lemon pasta. So let's prepare our bites. Let's get the, so you have your fork, take the spoon, twirl it. Oh, that's a big bite, oh boy. This might be a lot, but it's nothing I can't handle. So we got the little twist, see a little nest? Nice. Then we poke our shrimp. All right, that's a massive bite. All right, let's see how that looks. Look at that bad boy. And then we take our bites. That's really good. It's a good way to utilize those lemons we picked fresh from the tree. That's excellent. Chef's kiss. I think I gotta get one more bite.